Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then hi, it's Miss Sueno. Now I'm thinking to make lots of travel vlogs on my YouTube channel. So for that I need a drone. I have never used a drone before. This is my first time. So today in this video I'm going to unbox DJI Mini SE. I don't want to spend lots of money on drone as I'm just a beginner. I have never used a drone before, so I did some research on YouTube, Google, everywhere, and I found this drone perfect for my budget and perfect for videos. The videos quality, everything was so insane. I loved it. So I thought, why to spend lots of money as I'm just a beginner. I decided to get this drone. It is none other than DJI Mini SE. I googled the price of drone and they were like starting from $100 to like up and up 2000 and more. So my budget was not that much. I don't want to spend a lot on drone. So I got this DJI Mini SE and the price was only $459 and I'm very happy about the price. Now let's see how it is. As this is my first drone, I'm very excited to do this unboxing video. Now let's open. Oh shit. I just messed it up. I hope I did not break it. Oh, this is DJI Mini SE. It is very small in size comparing to other bigger drones. Look at the size. I love them. They are very cute and tiny like me. I did some research on Google about the DJI Mini SE. So they are like only 249 gram in weight, and the maximum flight time with the full battery, the maximum flight time that I can use is 30 minutes. They have got GPS sensor, which is very good. They can give 4 km SD video transmission, 2.7K camera. They have got gimbal as well, and I have seen few videos from YouTube and those videos were very lovely, so I love them. This is DJI Mini SE. I've got some wires to connect on. I don't know about this. I need to watch some videos because I've never used them before. I have got some extra, what it is called, wings, maybe wings, I'm not sure what they are called. So I've got some extra, I don't know what it is, some screws, some extra things that I'm not aware about. Next thing that I've got is this remote control. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use it, so I need to watch the video. They have sent me something to read, some start guide and things, so I'm not going to read this. I'll just watch videos from YouTube. There is something here. I'm taking them out. There is a tiny little box under the remote. It is a charger, one for remote control and one for the drone. I just watched the video. It's not that difficult to start this drone. So I need to take this out like this, like this. I can use it anyway, like this. Just need to take this out to put my phone in. So I'm going to put my phone in between here. DJI Mini SE, they don't offer you extra SD card. You need to put your own SD card. I own a camera, so I have got few extra SD card because I need them anytime when my memory is full. On the back here, I'm going to put them in. This is my first drone, DJI Mini SE. From the DJI app, you need to connect, which will show the exact location where you are. There are some zones like near airport you cannot fly your drone. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it from my phone. And I have got a few wires. I think one for different phones, like this is for iPhone, because I only have iPhone, so I'm gonna use this one. Under here there is got this tiny little button. Just take it out and I need to put it here, so I'm doing this. From here I'm taking out and putting this on. Ta-da! Now I'm connecting my phone over there in the remote. I'm connecting this in my charge area. Now I'm turning the remote control on. There is a power button. Just turn it on. 1, 2. It will. Did you hear the noise? So we need to hear that noise on. So now my remote control is on. Now let's move towards my drone. Here is the power button. Just click 2 times. 1 and 2. Now they are ready. Did you hear the noise? So this means that they are ready. I'm not going to fly it in my house. I'm going somewhere in the park and I will show you the footage of DJI Mini SE. I have never done it before, so this is going to be my first time. And now let's see how it goes. So today's weather is not that good. It's very windy and cloudy. I think it's going to rain, but still, as I've already come this far to make video, I'm going to do few clips. Maybe it won't be that good, but if you want to know about DJI Mini SE, then you can just watch video clips from the YouTube. They are really good one, as I'm just a beginner. Weather is very cloudy and it looks like it's going to rain, so still I will make few clips. This will just be like a trial, just using how to use it, because I've never used it before. The video that I'm doing now won't be that good, but in my next video I will show you the clear and good footage of DJI Mini SE. Can you see that high up in the sky? Oh my god, my drone fell from there because I didn't know which button to click, so I accidentally clicked on the wrong one and it fell down, boom, down there. I was so scared, but thank god my drone is alright. I tried it again and it's all good. I tried to fly drone, which was a bit scary because my drone fell from the sky. I clicked the wrong button. That's alright, my drone is fine. I'm thankful for that one. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will upload a second video filming from my DJI Mini SE. So please do not forget to hit like and subscribe button down below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.